Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Homage to the exalted one, the worthy one, the perfectly enlightened one. Today I'm going to introduce insight meditation. And first of all, I have to introduce you the Noble Eightfold Path and to show you how the application of the Vipassana practice, where it connects. Now I recite the Pali and then I will translate into English after that. Aryo Attangika Magga, the Noble Eightfold Path. Ayamko Majjima Patipada Tathagatena Abhisambuddha Chakku Karani Jnana Karani Upasamaya Abhinyaya Sambodhaya Nippanaya Sangvattati Ayam Eva Aryo Attangiko Maggo. This is the middle path which the Perfect One discovered and expounded, which gives rise to vision and knowledge, which leads to peace, wisdom, enlightenment, and Nibbana, the Noble Eightfold Path. They are as follows. Samma Ditti, right understanding. It is of fourfold. Dukkha Jnanam, right understanding of suffering. Dukkha Samudaya Jnanam, of its origin. Dukkha Nirodha Jnanam, of its cessation. Dukkha Nirodha Gamini Patipadaya Jnanam, leading to the cessation of suffering. Samma Sankappo, right intention. Nekkamma Sankappo, right intention of renunciation, free from craving. Avyapada Sankappo, right intention of goodwill, free from aversion. Avimsa Sankappo, right intention of compassion, free from cruelty. That is the second of Noble Eightfold Path. That is the second path. Now the third one is Samma Vacha, right speech. Musavada Veramani, abstaining from false speech. Pisuna Vacha Veramani, abstaining from malicious speech. Parasa Vacha Veramani, abstaining from harsh speech. Sampapalapa Veramani, abstaining from useless speech. Then the fourth one is Samma Kammanto, right action. Panadipada Veramani, abstaining from taking life. Adinnadana Veramani, abstaining from stealing. Kamesu Michachara Veramani, abstaining from sexual misconduct. Then we come to the fifth path of the Noble Eightfold Path. Samma Ajivo, right livelihood. Michcha Ajivam Pahaya Samma Ajivena Jivitam Kappeti. Giving up wrong livelihood, one earns one's living by a right form of livelihood. Then we come to the sixth path. Samma Vayama, right effort. Samma Samvara Padanam, Pahana Padanam, Bhavana Padanam, Anurakana Padanam. To prevent unarisen, unwholesome mental states from arising, to abandon unwholesome mental states that have already arisen, to develop wholesome mental states that have not yet arisen, to maintain and perfect wholesome mental states already arisen. Now we are going to apply this right effort to be right mindful. Now, the seventh one is Samma Sati, right mindfulness. Kayanupassana, mindful contemplation of the body. Vedananupassana, mindful contemplation of feelings. Chittanupassana, mindful contemplation of the mind. Dhammanupassana, mindful contemplation of mental objects. Now, as I explained, Samma Vayama, the right effort. We are going to apply right effort to be mindful of 4 places. Mindful contemplation of the body. Here the word body, we can contemplate the parts of the body, or you can do be aware of the in and out breath. When you are breathing in and when you inhale and when you exhale, just be aware of that. So, mindful contemplation of the body. Vayo Kaya means the breathing. There are other contemplation of mindful contemplation of body explained in various ways. The 32 parts of the body and corpse contemplating on the corpses and so on. But in here we take the breathing meditation. Just be aware of your breathing. Vedananupassana, mindful contemplation of feelings. Here the feelings, comfortable feelings, uncomfortable feelings, neither comfortable nor uncomfortable feelings. Mindful contemplation of the mind. Here, just to be aware, whatever good or bad thoughts that arise and pass away. Mindful contemplation of mental objects. Here, the 4th one is to be apply right effort to be mindful of the all these phenomena, the changing phenomena, to understand the changing phenomena, the nature of impermanent suffering and no-self, that one will understand gradually. Whatever the 4th one, Dhammanupassana, mindful contemplation of mental objects, the 4th one develops the wisdom side. To be aware of all this breathing, the rising and passing of all these mental phenomena, sensations, thoughts, sounds, feelings. And when you are aware of all these phenomena, you will come to know the impermanent nature, and running after that, you end up in suffering. And these phenomena, these arising and passing thoughts, feelings, sounds, they are not I or ego or self, and they just arise and pass in just process. And you will understand when you improve insight meditation. Before that, you will not understand. It's very difficult. It's more practical here. The 8th one is Samma Samadhi. No, the 8th of the Noble Eightfold Path is Samma Samadhi. Kusala Chitta Ekagata, the right concentration. When you practice breathing meditation, if you practice a very long, for many hours, few days, few months, or many years, one may take very long time, you will end up in deep concentration levels. These levels are known as